I've been reorganizing my utility room of sorts, which includes new shelves and a small countertop. The countertop was cobbled together from an old kitchen countertop someone was getting rid of. The countertop is held in place by a small shelving unit on one side. The back is secured to the wall using those 2x2s, which are screwed directly to the wall studs. To finish this up, I need to support this corner, and I've got a simple idea for that. The plan for this bracket is very simple. This is the countertop, this is the wall. I'm just going to build a bracket that goes from one to the other. I want this to be level, which theoretically means this is going to be 90 degrees. These two angles are also going to add up to be 90 degrees. We're going to form a triangle here. The angles aren't important. I've just got to stay up off the floor, and I've got to stay back from the edge of the countertop. I've got an idea what I'm going to put in here, and it's going to fit in with this room perfectly. Let's go get started. For this support, I need a 34.5-inch mark on the long side. To figure out the angle of this cut, I'm going to make it easy on myself. I'm going to flush up this first cut here on this table using this 90-degree corner as a reference. Now with my reference mark perpendicular to the edge of this table, I'm just going to grab that angle transfer it to the top and make the cut. Ideally, when mounting this support, you would use a stud in the wall as the mounting point for that lower bracket. Unfortunately for me, the nearest stud is right here. And that puts this bracket clear over into the middle of this counter, and I don't want it there. I want it more towards the edge, which means I'm going to have to put an anchor in the drywall itself. Now, I have some drywall anchors, and they're really aggressive. They're self-tapping. I've used them in the house before, and they seem pretty strong. As long as nobody jumps up on top of this after we're all done, we should be fine. And we're done. And that turned out exactly like I was hoping for. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.